When I was growing up, it was drilled into our minds that going to college and university is the only way to get out of poverty. While education provides a paramount of unforgettable experiences, it's not the only way one can become successful, which is why in today's video, I'll be sharing some side hustles students can do in order to create a strategic mindset towards entrepreneurship. I remember as early as 6 years old, I will help my aunt sell into a grocery store, and years after that, side hustle became a part of my backbone because while going to high school, I would do things like tutoring and selling candies in order for me to attend school. So having a side hustle definitely is one of the best ways one can open their mindset towards entrepreneurship and bettering their mindset. Now as an adult, I always had that entrepreneurial spirit that has helped me to help multiple companies and also starting my own companies. And that is why in today's video, I'll be sharing 6 side hustles students can start this year to make $1,000 per day. And to be quite frank, anyone can do these side hustles that I'm about to share in today's video. Side hustle number 1 has the potential to make students $1,000 per month.
I'm 22 years old and I make over $20,000 every single month from selling AI photos that I made right on my phone. And every time I tell somebody this, they either think it's a super complicated process or that I'm a professional graphic designer, and I'm definitely not.
So with this side hustle, you don't need to have a professional camera. All you have to do is choose a niche. For example, let's say you're going with the pet niche. You will go ahead and select a stock photo. You can use sites like Unsplash or Pexels. Once you have the image, you will go to an AI image tool like Midjourney. You can sell these images in Facebook groups that are catered to dog and cat moms, or you can offer to customize images based on the pet that they have. You can also use a platform like Wirestock.io, or you can even use Etsy to sell your AI art images. Side hustle number 2 is creating short form content for people that are bilingual. For example, look at these YouTube shorts that are getting millions of views under 1 minute that teaches people how to pronounce a certain word. Doing these types of videos will be super easy because you'll be teaching people things that you already know. The more videos that you upload, the more you'll be able to become monetized on the platform. And isn't this an easy way for one to earn money teaching the things that they already know? If you are enjoying the video so far, I want you to like, subscribe, and comment the word enjoy in the comment box below. Side hustle number 3 is creating a Discord community and earn money from your servers. So if you don't know what a Discord community is, it's basically where a group of people come together and create a community that they can engage with each other in real time. The community allows them to opt onto servers that will be able to help them navigate things that they want to know about. It allows users to build a deep connection with each other, and you can actually monetize your server with a subscription. So let's say, for example, you are someone that's teaching people how to get into crypto, or even you're teaching someone how to be a gamer. This will allow you to be able to monetize your server either as streaming live or even as a subscription basis. So having a Discord community will allow you to communicate with your audience in real time, answer any message, share videos, and other files. Side hustle number 4 is offering brands copywriting services. Now, as a copywriter, it is your responsibility to put text in a way that persuades a user to take action. So a lot of these advertisements or ads that you're seeing going around on social media or even on websites are copies that people produce for thousands of dollars, and it helps readers to take action to purchase a particular product or service. With this side hustle, you can do it any time of the day. It does require some experience. What I would recommend is looking on different ad copies. So you can use a platform like Facebook Ads Library to look at different copies that people would use on their ads. You can also look at different websites to see the structure of their wording for their website, because most websites and brands are high on copywriting materials. They hire people in order to produce those contents. You can also use ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate different copies based on the industry that you want to write a copy for. And another thing is that you want to look at the structure of those copies and formulate an idea for yourself, because not every company wants AI generated copies for their websites or for their captions. or for their ad copies. So in order to learn this, I will definitely recommend that you look around. There's so many different techniques of copywriting all over the internet. And copywriting is definitely one of those side hustles that can make you $1,000 or more per month. Side hustle number 5 is becoming a UGC content creator. And don't worry, this one is relatively easy like the others. With UGC content creation, all you have to do is create unboxing videos. Let's say, for example, you purchase things on Amazon on a regular basis. You can create videos showing your audiences on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, the type of items that you purchase, and encourage them to actually use the link into your bio. That link would also be a link to Amazon where they could purchase the product and you receive a commission. It can also be an instance where you get brand deals and you are being paid to make those videos. Like, who doesn't want to get paid to make videos? Like, that's super easy for anyone that's looking for a side hustle that they can do any time of the day. And it's also a perfect idea for students that doesn't want to show their face, and for students that literally doesn't have a lot of time in order to dedicate to a job. So creating unboxing videos is one of the easiest side hustles that one can do in order to make $1,000 or more per month. Side hustle number 6 is reselling gently used clothes on Depop. Now, this side hustle doesn't require any experience or technical skills, and just about anyone at any age can do this side hustle to make a couple of $100s per month. All you have to do is go on Depop.com, sign up for an account, link your PayPal information, upload photos of the clothing that you want to sell. Once someone makes a purchase, then you ship the item. That's easy as peasy, right? If you're looking for an easy side hustle that you can do as a student, Depop will definitely be one of those options because you don't need to put in a lot of time, and once you start making money, you can buy other items. These were only 6 side hustles that students can start this year and make $1,000 per month. For other videos, you can check out my channel, subscribe for more updates, and be sure to turn on your post notification bell so when I upload new videos, you won't miss out. And I'll see you in my next video.